Welcome to Discover Zone. Today we're going to do a toy review on SQUOOSH-O'S, and this is the holographic ones. They're DIY stress toys. It says add instant snow and holographic glitter. So let's open this up. Okay, so here's our holographic glitters, our funnel, our instant snow, and they give you 4 balloons. It makes 3, but just in case something happens to one of the balloons, I'm guessing they give you an extra one. And then the directions. It looks pretty simple. Just a fun side note, this won Creative Child Magazine's Top Toy of the Year award for 2018, and I thought that was cool, so we'll see how top toy it is. Okay, so the other items that you need that don't come in the kit is water, scissors, vinegar, or hand sanitizer. We chose hand sanitizer. So first thing, we're going to put this balloon on top of this funnel that they gave us. Pretty easy. Next it says to add in 1/5 of the instant snow. So I'm just going to try to eye it and then pour it in the funnel. I don't know, does that seem like 1/5? Maybe a little bit more. Honestly, I'm guessing, so. Then it says to add 1 packet of glitter. They give you 3 packets. We chose this pretty silver one first, so I'm going to pour that into my funnel. It's holographic glitter, and that's like really pretty. I think that's awesome. Now you're supposed to fill your balloon up with water, so I'm going to very carefully fill it up. I hope it doesn't overflow. This is to activate the instant snow. So it's all filled up, as you can see, and then you're supposed to add a drop of hand sanitizer. So, which is optional, but we're going to do that. Come on, come on. Now it says to tie it off and let it sit for 5 minutes before squishing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off if I can. So it's been 5 minutes, so they've sat a lot. This one's really pretty. It's the iridescent one. The camera doesn't show it as well, but like if you were here, you'd think it was really pretty. I think the less amount of snow you put in, the more it holds its shape, because this one doesn't hold its shape very well, but I didn't put very much snow in this one, so this one kind of holds its shape more. But they're all super fun. They're like actual stress balls that you would buy. It's awesome that you can make your own and that they come in a kit, but it looks really pretty when you squish them, and I think I would give this a 5 stars. It's awesome. It's very therapeutic for like tweens and teens to make, but for even younger kids, it's really fun to make. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching, guys. Okay, one more thing, guys. The best part, we had extra snow, so we thought we'd play with it a little bit and have fun. So we're gonna pour our water into it. Ooh, there it goes. Ooh, I love playing with the instant snow. It's so fun. And fun fact, you guys, this is actually the stuff they put in diapers to absorb the urine. Thanks for watching.